This week I am testing the brand new Hyundai Palisade. This is a large 7-seater hybrid SUV. I'm going to be putting it through our full baby drive testing, which means putting child seats in the back, seeing how they fit, seeing how good the legroom is, seeing how big the boot is when you're using all 3 rows of seats and also just 2 rows of seats. So I'll be testing a range of prams in the boot too. If you are a parent or soon to be a parent, then this is the review for you. I'll be testing it with my family on board and finding out how good a baby drive it is. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Tula. On the left-hand side of the boot, you've got your controls for raising and lowering the rear seats. You've also got a 240-volt plug there and a 12-volt plug as well. There's also a lock button up here, so you can press that as you walk away from the car with your kids and carrying their things, and it will automatically lock the whole vehicle. It's a feature I love for families. Now let's find out how the taller range of prams fit in the boot. When using 2 rows of seats, the boot of the 7-seat Hyundai Palisade will hold 22 shopping bags. Or the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Hyundai Palisade with 14 shopping bags. The taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 14 shopping bags. And the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Hyundai Palisade side by side with 6 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 11 shopping bags. The taller Urban Glide 3 double ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 9 shopping bags. Or the taller Spring lightweight one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Hyundai Palisade with 16 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre and 2 70-litre taller Chasm duffel bags in the boot. Or a very large dog. When using all 3 rows of seats, the boot of the 7-seat Hyundai Palisade will hold 8 shopping bags. Or the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Hyundai Palisade with 2 shopping bags. The taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot but with no shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 ultimate all-terrain stroller with one of the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 1 shopping bag. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 double ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels off fits easily in the boot but with no shopping bags. And the taller Spring lightweight one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Hyundai Palisade with 3 shopping bags. Or you can fit 1 40-litre and 1 70-litre taller Chasm duffel bags in the boot. Or a very small dog. When it comes to the spare tyre in the Palisade, there is one, which is fantastic news. It's stored underneath the vehicle on the underside of the boot here. Under the floor in the boot is the jack and the tools you need for changing the tyre. The front interior of this new Palisade is really lovely and modern. It's very minimal and clean and comfortable. Now it is enormous as well. I'm quite short, but I find just to reach all these buttons and things on the dash, I do realise how small I am and how big this car is. But it does give you a lovely sense of personal space, and there's a lot of interior space in here for everyone to feel comfortable. There are lit vanity mirrors in the front here in both visors, which is great. There are air vents across the dash here, 2 in the centre and 1 at each end. I can also change it to driver only, which is fantastic. When I've dropped the kids off and I'm on my own, I can just call myself and I don't need to worry about the rest of the vehicle and wasting the energy. Also on the door here, I've got a lovely button to give my seat a massage, which is a really lovely feature as well for parents. You've also got heated and cooled seats in this variant, and also a little button on the side of the seats. For all of them, it will recline them into a lovely reclining position, also with a footrest as well. And we went camping when we had this car, and we were tempted just to sleep in the car and not worry about all the rigmarole of tents. There's also a UVC button in the central console here, which is a sterilising mode. So with the central console box, you can pop in there your glasses, your keys, your phone, anything like that. Press the UVC button. As long as you've got the lid closed, it will sterilise everything that you've put in there, which is a really nice feature. The seats are really lovely and comfortable in the front here, and there are buttons in the side of the front passenger seat. So from my driver's seat, I can change the position of the front passenger seat. These are really lovely and helpful when you have school pickup and you're letting your kids in and out of the back without having to get out of your seat. It's also great when you have maybe elderly passengers in the front, and it helps to get them in and out. You've got so much storage. 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. There's also a wireless phone charging pad next to that. And behind that is the central console box. So really good size, really lovely with that UVC mode. The central console bridge underneath is a lovely storage space. I can put my handbag there, or an iPad fits easily. You've also got 12-volt socket down there and a little shelf for maybe popping glasses as well. There's no glasses case in the ceiling. The glove box is a good size in the front here. It would hold my phone, something like that, my wallet. There's a little shelf above it, which is good for the front passenger phone as well. The door bins in the front are enormous. They will hold 1 or 2 water bottles, and there's a long shelf as well instead of a handle well, so you can easily store a phone in there. If you are looking at buying the Hyundai Palisade for your family, or you'd like some advice on which cars might be suitable for your family, then you can get in touch with us for some free advice by clicking on the link above. The media system in the Hyundai Palisade is a really lovely and modern. It's easy to use and to navigate. It's got some really nice features in here that I love, like the calendar and the weather. You've also got in here car wash mode. You can control all the seats from here as well, either the warmer or the ventilation. So only the second row has ventilation, third row has the warmer. You can also control their position as well, which is really great from the front here. Now you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless, which is fantastic for accessing your phone and apps and things while you're driving. Now within the settings here, you can control and customize pretty much everything about the car. It's fantastic. Within the sound screen here, you can control and customize everything just so that it doesn't disturb your little passengers. I know lots of families have a problem with noise when it comes to kids. You can also go in and change lots of things about the car as well, so it's exactly how you like it. Also you can turn on and off different driver assist features as well there. Down on this second screen at the bottom here is all your climate controls. You can swap it from front to rear so that you can control the rear climate easily as well. And you can easily turn it to driver only. So that just saves using all the energy to cool the entire car when it's just you traveling on your own. You've also got some shortcuts on the dash here for your parking camera, so you can turn that on. That's really nice and easy to use. Although being a big car, it's actually quite far away from me while I'm driving. When I pop it into reverse, your camera screen is really nice and clear. You've got 360 camera there as well. So really nice and easy to see around the car. It is a really big vehicle, so having that good camera is really helpful. You can also turn the parking sensors on and off easily on the dash there. When it comes to safety, the new Palisade has 10 airbags. including side curtain airbags that extend to the third row seats. It has a 5-star ANCAP safety crash testing, scoring 88% for child occupancy and 84% for adult occupancy. Rear passengers are kept nice and comfortable in the new Hyundai Palisade. There are aircon vents in the ceiling for both rear rows of seats, and you can control that climate from the front media screen, which is fantastic for keeping everyone in the back exactly the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also lights in the ceiling above the doors for the second row passengers and in the ceiling for the third row passengers. So everyone can see when they're fastening their seatbelts at night, or parents can see when they're reaching in to do up little kids' harnesses. There are also little glowing lights around the seatbelt buckles, so at night you can easily locate them. There are handles above both rear doors, so you can hang a little toy from those for little rear-facing passengers when you're on long journeys. The Hyundai Palisade has built-in window blinds in the rear doors, which are fantastic for keeping your little ones shaded from the sun while you're driving along. There are USB-C sockets in the side of these front seats for the second row passengers to charge devices, and there are USB-C sockets on either side in the third row, so third row passengers can charge their devices while travelling as well. Storage in the back of the Palisade is excellent. In the third row there are 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable water bottle or a kid's drink cup or a coffee cup, fit in there really nice and easily. In the second row there are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold and conceal an iPad. There's a drawer in the back of the central console box that's lined, so passengers could put phones or kids could put toys in there without them rattling around and making a noise. There are fantastic cup holders in the doors of the second row. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup or a kid's drink cup, fits in them. There's also a phone holder, and the door bins themselves are a great size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle. The rear doors in the Palisade open really nice and wide, which is fantastic for passenger access into the back here. Also for putting child seats in as well, makes it really nice and easy. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Hyundai Palisade, in the second row here there are 2 captain's chairs, both of which have Isofix that are not within plastic guides but are nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of both of those second row seats. Again, really nice and easy to access because you can slide these second row seats forward easily. Now I can install forward or rear facing child seats in there really comfortably using the Isofix and the top tether anchorages. In the third row, there's 3 seats back there. There are Isofix in the 2 outer third row seats. They are not within plastic guides but lovely and easy to connect to. And there are top tether anchorages on the back of both of those outer third row seats too. Again, really nice and easy to access and connect through the boot. And I could fit 2 child seats in the back there. I did find there wasn't room between them for a passenger to sit between the 2 child seats in the third row. So 4 child seats will fit really nice and comfortably in here. When it comes to legroom, the Palisade is very, very spacious. I found that with rear-facing child seats in the second row and forward-facing child seats in the third row, a 186 centimetre driver could sit in the front, which is incredible for legroom. And with forward-facing child seats, 186 and taller drivers can easily fit in the front. These doors open really lovely and wide in the Hyundai Palisade, giving fantastic access for rear passengers in and out of the back here. There's also almost a flat footwells throughout the rear of the car, apart from a tiny hump in the central footwell. So again, really nice and easy for passengers to move around. Having 2 captain's chairs in the second row means there's a great walkway through to the third row, and also if you just press a button on the shoulder of the second row captain's chairs, they will automatically move forward even when you have child seats installed, so that passengers have this enormous walkway through to the third row. So that's so simple and easy to do that even children could do it themselves at school pickup, and it moves back automatically too at just the press of a button. The Hyundai Palisade Hybrid is a really lovely car to drive. It's really nice and smooth and quiet. I feel like it's really cocooned from outside road noise and wind noise, which makes it really nice and comfortable for passengers. Now around town it's really nice and comfortable, also out on the highway at speed. Because of all the ADAS and the help, it's really lovely and easy to drive, especially for long journeys. You don't get so tired. And visibility is excellent in here. Your side mirrors, you can see out of the back even with the 4 child seats installed, because there is no child seat in the central seat in either of the rows. You also have indicator cameras that come on in the driver display when you're turning, and you can also turn on the cameras as well when you're driving on the media screen. Now you do have a child lock button in the driver door control panel, which is fantastic. You can just press that and it locks both those rear windows and doors, so no one can fiddle with those in the back. Also, if the kids try and open those rear doors when there's a bike or a car coming alongside you, then it sounds an alert, and so they won't do it and they won't open them into anyone. So that's a really good feature as well.
So it does.
That's right. Now when it comes to parking, the Palisade is really lovely and easy. Now I was concerned with the size of this car with parking it. However, although it does fill a parking space, it kind of turns on the spot. The turning circles are really good, so it's really lovely and easy to park. The steering's really nice and light as well, so it's actually really easy to park and really comfortable as well. Now a couple of the features that I love in the Palisade for families is when you press the star button on the steering wheel, it takes you to a list of options. Now one of them is passenger talk. Now this sends my voice to the rear speakers, so I don't have to yell from the front here for my little ones in the third row to hear me, and the same for them to talk back to me, which is fantastic. Now another one is quiet mode, which dulls the speaker sound in the rear speakers, brings it all to the front, so if my kids have fallen asleep in the back on a long journey, then I can carry on listening to what I want to listen to in the front without it disturbing and waking them up, which is great. Within the media screen, the Palisade has sounds of nature, which is a lovely collection of kind of white noise. So there's the sound of autumn leaves, there's the sound of waves and sailing and a noisy cafe, all those noises that are great for sending our little ones to sleep. So to sum up with the new Hyundai Palisade, what a family car. You can fit 4 child seats really nice and easily in the back, with excellent legroom in all 3 rows, and with excellent third row access. That third row access and the system to move that second row seat with child seats installed is fantastic. One of the best in SUVs. The boot space is really good, fitting a twin pram even when you're using all 7 seats. The drive is lovely in here, really nice and smooth, and being a hybrid, you save a bit on fuel as well. Media system and cameras are excellent, and there are so many lovely family-friendly features throughout this new Palisade. It makes family life really nice and easy. The rear doors in the Palisade, oh, I'm moving the seat. Really useful for your little
Mommy,
ones
look
too.
at that.
Thanks, darling.
Christmas.